Unraveling the mystery. That doesn't add up. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might encounter in everyday English conversations. That doesn't add up. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it, and provide you with some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently. Let's get started. When someone says, "That doesn't add up," they're not talking about math or numbers directly. Instead, this phrase is used metaphorically to express doubt or disbelief about a situation, story, or explanation. It's a way of saying that something doesn't make sense or seems inconsistent with the facts or what is expected. Everyday conversations. You can use "that doesn't add up" in informal conversations when you hear something that seems suspicious or unlikely. It's a polite way to express skepticism without directly accusing someone of lying. In the workplace, in professional settings, this phrase can be used to question the accuracy of reports, data, or plans. It signals the need for further clarification or investigation. Writing. While "that doesn't add up" is more common in spoken English, you can also use it in informal writing or dialogue within stories to convey a character's doubt or confusion. Example 1. Imagine a friend tells you they caught a fish as big as a car. You might respond, "That doesn't add up," because it's highly unlikely. Example 2. If your colleague claims to have completed a week's worth of work in just an hour, you could say, "That doesn't add up," expressing your skepticism about the claim's authenticity. Example 3. Reading a news article with conflicting dates and events, you think to yourself, "That doesn't add up," doubting the accuracy of the information. And there you have it, folks. Now you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, "that doesn't add up." It's a handy expression to express doubt or skepticism in a variety of situations. We hope this video helps you feel more comfortable using it in your own conversations and understanding when others use it. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every phrase you master adds up to significant progress. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.